Hi, welcome to Tiny Food Fix. My name is Harman. I'm a registered nutritionist specializing in public health and food. Today, I am going to walk you through what I really eat in a typical day. Just realistic, simple approach to eating well. No strict diet, no perfect meals. What do I, as a nutritionist, eat in a day? Is it very healthy, perfectly balanced, or completely unrealistic? Let's be honest. Life doesn't work like that. I'm just going to give you an honest look at what I eat in a day. Very simple, practical, and realistic. We all have very busy lifestyles, and it is very difficult to stay on track most of the times. From my end, I try to keep things balanced wherever possible. So, just to say, this diet works for me. Everyone is different. Please take this as an inspiration. This is not something you have to follow exactly. Let's take you through my breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And I will also show you how I try to keep things balanced in my everyday life. So, about my breakfast. My mornings are usually quite busy, so I like to keep my breakfast very simple. I don't overcomplicate things. I just focus on having something that will keep me going. So, most days that means including some carbohydrates, protein, and fiber. So, I stay full and I don't feel hungry again too quickly. A typical go to for me is whole grain or seeded toast with plain yogurt and a piece of fruit. If I'm in a real rush, it might just be something very quick, such as eggs on toast. And on more relaxed mornings, especially when I'm at home with my family, I might have something a bit more filling, like porridge, toast with peanut butter, a boiled egg, and of course, a cup of tea. So it really depends on the day. The key thing here is it doesn't have to be perfect. Ideally, starting your day with more balanced, filling breakfast can really help. For me, it's about keeping my breakfast simple, practical, and something I actually enjoy. So, I'll talk about my lunch now. By lunchtime, I'm usually ready for something a bit more filling. I don't follow a strict plan, but I do try to keep things balanced. That usually means including some protein, carbohydrates, and vegetables. So, just to keep me satisfied and energized through the afternoon. Most of the time, it is something very simple. For example, leftovers from dinner, a quick wrap with chicken or hummus and salad, a salad in a wholemeal roll, sometimes oatcakes with a protein topic, plain yogurt with a piece of fruit, or something quick like rice and vegetables with beans. If I know I've got a busy day, I might prepare something in advance, but it's not always perfectly planned. And again, it's not about making it look perfect, it's about making it work in real life. Now, about my favorite bit, snacks. When it comes to snacks, I keep it very flexible. I don't just snack because I think I should. I snack if I'm actually hungry. Some days I might not snack at all, and other days I might need something between my meals. And that's completely normal. If I do snack, I keep it very simple, and it might be something like fruit, yogurt, a handful of nuts, something quick or easy depending on what I have available. For me, it's really about listening to my body rather than following any strict rules. Now, about my dinner. Most days I do try to cook from scratch, even if my energy is a bit low, mainly because I love cooking. But at the same time, there are days when I just don't feel like cooking at all, and that's completely okay. On those days, I keep things very simple and quick, but I still try to make something that's filling and reasonably balanced without putting so much pressure on myself. A simple way I build my meals is by including a source of carbohydrates like potatoes, rice, pasta, or other grains, along with the protein such as chicken, fish, eggs, or plant based options like lentils, and then adding some vegetables. For example, grilled fish with potatoes and salad. These are my favorite ones. Eggs with toast and vegetables, chicken and whole wheat pasta salad, or something really quick if you like, beans on toast. I absolutely love it. Now, it doesn't have to be complicated to be nutritious. For me, dinner is also about routine and sitting down to eat, especially with my family when possible. Because healthy eating isn't just about nutrients, it's about also about enjoying food and making it part of everyday life. And it's important to remember there is no one size fits all approach. It's about finding what works best for you and for your family. So, what I don't do. I think it's just as important to talk about what I don't do. I do not follow extreme diets. I don't cut out entire food groups without a medical reason. And I do not aim to eat perfectly all the time because that's not realistic and it's not sustainable. Instead, I focus on balance over time. Some days are more balanced than others, and that's completely normal. Here is our takeaway. If there is one thing to take from this, it's that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Simple, balanced, and realistic will always work better than trying to be perfect. So remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be perfect. Start simple, stay consistent, and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Tiny Food Fix for more simple and evidence-based nutrition tips. And I would also like to know, what does a typical day eating look like for you?